Okay, students, class 10th. Now I am giving you the certain solution of the numericals, clear, which will help you out in doing the rest of the numericals. The first numerical is a pendulum has the frequency of 5 vibrations per second. An observer starts the pendulum and fires a gun simultaneously. He hears echo from the cliff after 8 vibrations of the pendulum. If the velocity of sound in air is 340 meter per second, find the distance between the cliff and the observer. Now see, according to the question, 5 vibrations in 1 second. Now I can calculate the frequency. 5 vibration in 1 second. How many vibrations is he taking? 8 vibrations. That means 8 vibrations time is 8 upon 5 equals to 1.6 seconds. Now they want the distance between the cliff and the observer. This formula we have studied, velocity equals to 2d upon t. I have substituted the velocity. It is given 340 meter per second, 340 meter. 2 into d upon time is 1.6 second. D we have calculated 272 meters. Clear? The next numerical is a person standing between two vertical cliffs produces a sound. Two successive echoes are heard at 4 seconds and 6 seconds. Calculate the distance between cliffs. Speed of sound in air is 320 meter per second. Now see, according to them, the distance of the first cliff will be suppose 2x, for example, and they have directly substituted the formula for d1, v into t upon 2. Clear? Now v is 340 into 4 second, because first time is 4 second, upon 2, that is 640 meters, and d2 same formula. Now the time is changed by 6 seconds. Now it is 960 meters. What is the total distance? 640 upon 640 plus 960, that is 1600 meters. Clear? The next here you will find out the next numerical, one of the important numerical. A person is standing between the two cliffs and 640 meters from the nearest cliff produces sound. He hears the first echo after 4 seconds and the second echo after 3 seconds. Clear? Later, calculate speed of sound in air, the distance between the cliff. Now such type of numerical, first of all you have to draw the diagram. Now see, I have taken a person between the two cliffs, cliff 1, cliff 2. The distance between the person to the cliff 1 is 640 meters, as it has been said, and here the distance is not known, but the total distance I have assumed d from cliff 1 and between cliff 1 and cliff 2. The time taken from the nearest cliff will be 4 seconds and the cliff 2 will be 4 plus 3. Why I have done this 4 plus 3? Because he said 3 seconds later, that means this time is also included. 4 plus 3, 7 seconds. This is seconds. Now let d1 be the distance from, this is d1 640. I have directly substituted the formula 2d equals to that 2 into 640, d1 equals to 480 meters. Clear? Now s equals to 2d1 upon t, that is 1280 upon 4, 320 meter per second will be the speed of sound in air. Clear? Now I have assumed d2 will be the distance from the cliff 2. Total time will be 7 seconds. Velocity equals to 2d2 upon t. d2 cross multiply v into t. This 2 will go down. v into t upon 2. Velocity is 320 meter per second, which we have calculated in the earlier section. Time is 7 seconds, and upon 2 I have taken 6, that is 160 into 7, 1120 meters. This is the distance of d2. d2 means from person to the cliff 2. Clear? Now if they want total time, total distance 1120 and the 640, so I have taken total distance will be d1 plus d2, 640 plus 1120, 1720. Clear? Now students, do the numericals of section A. Clear? Rest in the next video I will discuss about the section B of your book. Clear? All the best.